Welcome to the rainy season here in Da Nang. Now it rained the whole day a little bit, it stopped, and Marcus has 2 umbrellas.
Yes.
That's how much it rained. But he doesn't need it because he's from Hamburg.
Yeah.
From a beautiful
We are not made out of sugar.
from a beautiful village by the sea in Germany.
Work, Hamburg.
But today we are not in the Antung area, we are in another, I would also say it's maybe an expat bubble. It's right, this almost the same. It's around the Loseby Street, but we will find out now.
But
It's in Soncha.
it's a very nice park.
That's true. And actually the whole neighborhood is nice, to be honest. We just reviewed a villa, pretty interesting, 35 million, 3-bedroom villa, but not the exact thing what we are looking for our stream. So this is a hotel, Dana City Hotel. We also have eMove here, so the electric motorbike rental.
You remember?
Yes.
This is the store that moved from the Antung.
Ah, eMove, yeah. The e-moved.
Yeah, the e-moved.
The u-moved here, yeah. So there you can get lots of electric motorbikes that you don't need a driver license for it because it does not drive faster than 45 or something. Yeah, they're also very small ones either. I would look like a dumbass on it.
Gym and Pilates.
Oh really? Equinox? No way! They really fake this. This is fantastic. This is how much you have.
What is Equinox?
Copyright. Equinox. It's like the most expensive gym chain in America, I would say. It's like $300 a month.
Okay.
So guys, if you miss your Equinox, all my Americans, there you go. You have an Equinox, Pilates and motorbike rental in one. It's also funny, they have a 4 Seasons apartment here. They have several things here, very interesting. It's right behind the Awaken right now, where we are. Oh, look at this. This is like a camouflage hotel. You know what? Last time we walked here, it was not like that. I think maybe they're done now.
I don't remember because look at this left. I think there's something missing. The white
Already, yeah. We had a Mikwang there over there one time for 25,000 dong. That was pretty affordable. But yeah, we were gonna walk here, this neighborhood, and check out what's going on here. You can have nice banh mi chow. Beautiful. We have a billiard room here. And now soon you will know where we are. Right here in the, I would call it the Loseby area, Loseby Street area. Van Beautiful. Oh wow. Is this a brand? No, but Van Beautiful, it's like a company name because they have a sign, right?
Yeah.
So that means the company is named Van Beautiful. Interesting. And we have Bana. What is that? Souvenir shop. And another gym here, HN Fitness.
There's a lot of these small gyms.
Huh. Small gym.
Boxing.
Oh. What is that? That looks interesting here. Mikwang, okay.
Mikwang Bepui.
And you have your own well here. Oh, interesting. Look at this Mikwang Luon.
It look different. There's also a little bit of bread and peanuts, I guess.
Yeah, that's how it should be. I think this is this is how it should be. It's with the nice fish. Oh, Marcus, I had a great dinner last night.
Where?
With Emma. We went to Madame Lan, and you know what? They changed the restaurant. They changed the restaurant, and now next door is a big building, and it's like 4-story high. Everything very modern. Looks very nice actually. And now you can sit up there and eat.
But isn't it the place with the recommendation of usually?
Exactly. Yeah. It's great. They worked a lot on it. So. It's on my Google Maps guide, of course, yeah. Reading coffee store. This is usually when it's like dark windows like that.
Special reason is
They will not let us in because we're not Koreans.
because we don't want to spend money.
Yeah. They usually come with buses like this. And in Germany we call it Kaffeefahrt. That's what it is. And it's literally Kaffeefahrt. Yeah, because they come here to all those places and then they're gonna get sold expensive coffee.
And they got samples.
Samples and yep. But we tried to go in one time and they were like, oh, only Korean people. A moon milk here, yes. Looks very retro here. Small, but good. Yeah, this is another. We had a buncha here one time, right? On a live stream, yeah.
On a live stream. And there we also eat there.
We ate there, yeah. Shout out to Will Travels. He loves this location. Not this location, but this restaurant in the Antung area. It's like very affordable, like $1 meals there.
Because the guy looks like from American sitcom, right?
I don't know.
I think Seinfeld.
Seinfeld?
I think this was the comedy show.
Okay.
And someone from Seinfeld looks like him.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay,
you can see it
interesting.
better.
So this is the Loseby Street. There's also the Cordial Grand Hotel, the Yes Hotel, and lots of very affordable accommodation, I believe. And this is an interesting French restaurant, The Temptation. It's also a Michelin recommended. I have not tried it out yet because it's French restaurant. Not my thing, I think. But we will see. Maybe I will try it at some point. We have some hotels here. We reviewed one of these hotels, I think.
I would like to stay there.
Eros Hotel. Ooh. You know what I think? This is a love hotel. I think it's a love hotel.
If you go to Germany and there's something with Eros Center or something,
Yes.
has something to do with love.
Exactly. And this is also a good hotel, very well rated hotel. And then we have some residential neighborhood over there. And actually, if we go straight and to the right, there are some villas there as well.
You know for what this is? I have no idea. Is it for water or is it just for animals? Or?
I think it's just against the rats. So this is Hotel de Luna by Look Global. Okay. And this is what we reviewed one time. This was super cheap when we reviewed it, but then they raised the price $20 more. Ocean Bliss Hotel. You remember they had? I was there with you, right?
Yes.
When they also told us they have 17 buildings, right?
Yes. And we met this
Hello.
guy. But also they have very nice
Oh? Oh, no.
I know.
That's so funny. That's so funny. First you wanted to give us a ride and now you want to give us another ride. Oh my God.
Hustler.
At this time of the day? My God. Who does that?
Look at this, Alibaba.
Alibaba.
And the 40 robbers. So
I feel like it's closed.
renovating.
Yeah, they're renovating. And this is absolutely poor pavement, guys. This is where you break your everything. Yeah. Pavement report. That's definitely only. Nah. You know what? With this loose tiles, I give it a 1 because you can literally trip like very easily. So the whole pavement is very, very bad. It rained and probably it's sucked up all the water. Whoa, what the heck? What is going on? This looks like, I don't know what it looks like. Dude.
A restaurant?
Do you need some bathing tubs? That's even a whirlpool, right? Dude. How can you let these things be so ugly?
I think it's from this hotel.
Maybe it is.
So they
You know what they should start?
use it to dump.
Fence it so it's not that ugly, because this is a tourist area, you know? Imagine you're a tourist and you're walking around here and then you're seeing these things. That's very bad for business, guys. Imagine the first impression. Like just putting a pile of mud here,
Like
dirt. Yeah. Yeah, this is not a pristine area here. If you go, this is a very good hotel. Yeah, we reviewed it. And then we have Nalot. We have very nice hotels here. Imagine those people who live it there. They want to roam around and see the neighborhood here. And then they see something like this.
Also close.
Yeah. Wow.
No more massage.
Bamboo massage, no more. But you know what? This building will be very interesting, guys. When they finish this whole Soleil project, it's gonna be very beautiful. They're already finishing up some condos over there, but it just takes a little bit more. But yeah, it's gonna be great. I hope they really finalize, they do everything they said with the mall and everything like that. That would be great. Look at this pavement report. Ungenügend.
Yeah, I would say it's nothing. It's not for walling,
Yeah.
for skating.
Imagine you skating on this thing. You're thinking, okay, it looks good, and then you
Yeah.
dip in. You break all your bones. So for all my skaters, be careful, guys. This old pavement, good pavement, beautiful. It's a strong and good pavement here. You got a restaurant over there. Foam and chill. Yeah, so if you would walk all the way straight, that's where the Antung area is. Yeah, and this is gonna be also, I think it's all gonna belong together, the Soleil building. And it looks so nice on the renderings there. This Soleil Da Nang. Beautiful. I think in 5 years everything will be nice here. Even the ungenügend pavements. Dude, you wanna go to the street again? Maybe we find this villa there.
But there's
The
also
pool villa.
sketchy one, karaoke.
Oh, nice. We like sketchy things, right, Marcus? We need some more sketch in our life.
Never been there.
We walked here one time, I think, but it is already 3, 4, 6 months ago. I think there's a coffee shop. We had a coffee once, right? Look at this, karaoke Hawaii. Wow. And now we have karaoke New Land. But it's closed. Look at this. Wow, that would be a nice place. But it's nothing in there. There's one small house. But you know what this looks like?
Yeah, like a swimming
When it's
pool.
raining a lot,
Yeah.
this could be a problem.
Yeah,
If
it could
it's-
be a problem if you have the wrong shoes.
Okay,
Because when
Mr.
you're
Crocs.
wearing my shoes, you don't have a problem.
and you're single.
Yes.
Here,
But this
pool
is
villa by the
not
sea.
reason.
Pool villa by the sea.
Then-
This is the coffee shop we had coffee, Marcus.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh, look at this. This looks like a nice building. There's some nice houses. Yeah, I mean, they're a little bit older, but you can even get the Da Nang Post. Newspapers. What is that?
I think this is onsen, right?
Oh, maybe.
Or do you, restaurant, sorry. Restaurant Korean.
Oh, it's a Korean restaurant. Yeah. Charming pool villa for
With these
vacation.
Charming wires.
Houseindanang.com. Our partners, Airbnb, Booking, HomeAway, and TripAdvisor.
Oh, it looks nice. I don't want to peek in too much, but
To be honest, I'm missing these kind of pool villas like they are in Hua Hin. I feel like they have to step up their game. The only problem is here, the land is so much more valuable than in Thailand, in Hua Hin or something, you know. But maybe if you go deep into the, maybe countryside, maybe Hoi An? I don't know. But here usually they take every centimeter to build the house and have enough rooms there. It's not like, okay, you have a big space or something and a big pool. It's usually just get as many, let's go here,
Okay.
as many rooms for the family in as possible. The working here, the cleaning up.
There's also a villa.
There's also a villa, yeah.
villas.
It's May Villa with a small pool in the shade. Yeah, and most of the pools here are in shade, you know. Of course, the locals don't want to be in the sun, and like, what is smart, because it's the sun is not always good to be in.
Look at this. Probably there's someone living.
I don't know what that is.
And I thought it's for sale.
New Min Plaza. Lots of hotels are on this street here as well. But for me, the street here, if you go like the middle of this street, at the end of the street is the Dragon Bridge. But if you're in the middle, it's like kind of no man's land. You're far away from the beach, you're far away from everything. I mean, you could walk, to be honest, but with this weather, I'd rather be somewhere here in Soncha, or I want to be in the Antung area, which is also more chill there. I mean, it's not chill, it's like you get around very easily. It's loud, there are annoyances there, but it's easy to get around. Here, you kind of need a motorbike though. But yeah, this is now the rainy season here in Da Nang. I hope it won't rain more than this, because all the neighborhood around the city center, they really need dry climate at the moment to recover. I'm wondering how is Hoi An looking like at the moment. I hope they're completely recovered, because it was not raining for 1 week now, so that was a good sign. And there's still this weird Koto typhoon roaming around the East Sea, very slowly, just chilling there. I'm pretty sure it is because of the Our Lady Buddha statue, who is protecting Da Nang again, like the whole year. Great job, thank you. But yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here, and see you in the next one.